Good day everyone. We have another fundamental principle in criminal law or Latin legal maxim, which is actus me in vito factus nisi menset rea, which means that an act does not make a person guilty unless there is a guilty mind. This fundamental principle gives emphasis on the physical act or actus reus and the guilty mind or mens rea. So, pasabot ani niya, no person shall be held criminally liable in violation of the revised penal code unless there is an intent to commit a crime. And the absence of intent to commit a crime, based on the discussion under Article 3 about felonies, so na ay culpable felonies. But in this case, we are talking about intentional felonies.